It's time to announce the drone video of the month winner for April. Here's how the contest works. Every single drone video uploaded to airvuz.com from April 1st through April 30th was automatically entered into our Drone Video of the Week contests. During each weekly contest, 5 videos are selected and one is crowned the Drone Video of the Week and given a $250 prize. Then, each Drone Video of the Week winner moves on to the Drone Video of the Month contest. The team at AirVuz votes, and then one video is selected to win an additional $500. Let's take a quick look back at all of the Drone Video of the Week winners from April. Showreel Drone Production RU 2022 4K. Drone Production RU. Drone Showreel, On the Level. Mavic 3 vs. Hong Kong, the incredible performance of the M3. Tiborianer.
It'll pose the next question to you. What was it like to wake up after having never gone to sleep? You see, you can't have an experience of nothing. Nature abhors a vacuum. So after you're dead,
La Palma Cubre Vieja Volcano Eruption Aftermath 4K aerial drone video. Enrico Pescantini. We've put the links to the full videos in the description below. And now, the one being named the Drone Video of the Month for April and winning the $500 prize is Mavic 3 vs. Hong Kong, the incredible performance of the M3, Tiborianer. AirVuz contributor Tiborianer used a DJI Mavic Pro 3 drone to create this magnificent aerial tour of the city of Hong Kong. He said, quote, "These shots push the drone to the limit in low light and high dynamic range situations." He also found that the telephoto lens was able to provide some amazing new creative opportunities. Congratulations, Tiborianer.